Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 410 Drone and Travel. And in this episode, we're not going to be reviewing any Toomey products. I do get a lot of positive feedback about that, and I thank you. We're going to be going on a ski trip. I'm going to try to edit this together the best way possible. I wasn't really planning on doing a vlog or a ski trip video, but we're going to do it anyway. First though, if you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe buttons. It helps the channel out a lot. I appreciate you guys stopping by. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back. I appreciate the support. Let's get into this episode. A little bit softer. I gotta tighten these goggles. I can't hear what? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, like I said before, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It helps the channel out a lot. I would love to bring you guys more content. I'm going to be doing some more Toomey reviews. And like I said, previous episodes, I want to get into more traveling and get you guys some more vlogs from up and down the East Coast and around the country, and maybe even international. See you guys in the next episode.